Okay, so here is an article that Ms. Wagner shared with my department. I'm going to copy this link, and then in Google, I go to diffit for teachers, and I click right here, and then click teachers start here, and I think I have to sign in with Google. Nope, don't even have to do that. And then right here, it says an article or a video. So I'm going to click that and then paste my article in here. And then you can change like the grade levels here. So we want, let's go for 9th grade. And then generate resources. And it takes a minute, but it's so worth the wait because it saves us an enormous amount of time and mental energy. Now, you can download the PDFs, I believe, of these. They also have Google Docs, depending on what to do. See here, it says like get student activities. And here's the adapted reading passage. So this is actually the article. Here's a summary. Here are the key vocabulary words. What we're going to do in my class is the probably short answers or open-ended prompts. But there are multiple choice questions. I personally think these are silly because some of the answers, there's multiple answers for one question. So we choose not to use those. But the short answer questions or open-ended prompts are super helpful. And so you could just copy and paste, put into your Word document or Google Doc. But you could also click Get Student Activities. And you see here you could do print, save as a PDF, print a doc, Google Forms quiz. There's lots of options on here that they are already generated. So, like, let's click this one. Open with doc. And, you have to sign in with your Google, school Google. Continue. It's all okay. Continue. Need the Jeopardy music. Open Google Doc. And then bada bing, bada boom. It just breaks it down into different visuals for you. Like, I'm not going to use that graphic up there. But there's multiple choice questions. Here's like literally a worksheet I could just print off. Here's an open-ended one. So it saves me the time for even having to type up my questions and put them in stuff. So I hope this is helpful if you don't know how to use diffit.